Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello dear student, this is for you a video that based on a lecture on the different tenses like present simple, present continuous, and that's based on time expression. So if we move to first slide, that is the present simple. Actually this tense reveal based on different facts like the sun shine every day. We all know that sun used to shine, so this is a fact, the sun shines every day. Regularity, Patty goes to work every day. It's also represent the regularity. Patty is a foreigner, and here Patty is its example. Patty goes to work every day, so mean this tense also used to describe regularity. So it's a present simple, and mostly in this tense we use I am, you are, he is, she is, and if we are using a plural like we and they, so we use we are, you are, they are, we are, and in case of you also we use you are. Basically these are very simple because you are in a second semester of BSc, so I am taking you with a very simple tenses and their examples. So it's a present simple like I am a teacher, he is a football, he is a football player, he is not a football player. We are in a Barne, we are at school. Basically the is and the use of am and use of are, these are basically these are used in the tense of simple present, like he is a football player, she is, and is she an actress. This is a questionnaire, and yes, this is answer of question, yes she is. So next slide, conjugation of to be. What it's a positive also. Conjugations are some positive, some negative conjugations, and questions also like I am, and this is a contraction. If we are putting a comma between the I and am, basically it represents the contraction. I am, we can also use I am, you are, your, he, she, it, she, its, he is, she is, its. We use contracted words. Negative, when we are doing nothing, then we called as negative. I am not doing anything, you are not, he is not playing, she is not learning. So, and the question is am I. If we put am, if we take am instead of from here and put before the noun, that is a am I. And if we displace are and put in front of noun, then it will be are you, am I, are you busy, am I going to school. So these are the examples. That's a present simple to do. These are verbs which are used. I do, we do. This is very simple, you can do by their own. Present simple to do. I do sports 3 times a week. You don't do your homework regularly. Basically this is an example of negative present simple, so you can do more examples. So it's a present simple. It's a type of possession. When we are going to express some possession, that I have a lecture book, I have a pen, I have a car, I have a bike. So these all are the example of possession tense like I have, we have, they have. You can make also practice of this by your own. It's a present simple to play, to rest. This slide will express in the different examples like to play, to rest, to learn. Like I play, I rest, you play, you rest, they play, they rest. But when we talk about the use of he, she, it, we will definitely put s at the end of verb. He plays, he rests, and he learns. So this is a use of to go, to fly. I go, he goes, he flies. You can also make practice your own. Present continuous. Now this tense is present continuous. In this tense, actually this is a practice of using is, am, are and ing with the first form of verb. Like we can give an example that happen. It's a first form happen, or what is happen, but we will add ing and we'll use is mr plus ing with the first form of a verb. What is happening at the moment? We use to present continuous to describe, talk about a limited time also, like a limited time example, I am reading a book at the moment. At the moment mean it is very a limited time. So this is a present continuous. I am talking. These are more examples. We are talking, you are talking. You can make your own practice. I am not talking. This is a negative. This is the negative example, and negative type of present continuous, that we are doing nothing, like we are not talking, you are not talking, they are not talking. So this is a present continuous, but it's a question mark. This is the question. So question type. Are we talking? Are you talking? Are they talking? Like am I eating? Are you eating? Am I learning? Are you learning? Like these examples. So this is the end of our lecture, and tomorrow inshallah we will discuss about the simple past tenses. Thank you.